Today I have a dome light bulb I want to replace. Right here. Okay, I know it's pretty dark, but this is my black Honda, and I'm going to turn the dome light on. Can you see that? Okay, and when I open the back door, these are what the two dome lights look like. The back one, and then the front one is, oh, and that dimmed out. So that's what they look like before I put the new LED bulbs in. And now we take that off. I have, let's see. I've got some new LED bulbs right here that I want to install. There you go. That's what it looks like. And let's see if I can get this set up in a good spot. And so this is the bulb right here. This is the one I'm going to put in. And so in order to get this, I think, see them two little tabs? There's one here and one here. If we go like this, and then go like that. And it pops off. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna take this old one out. Yeah, I think this one has seen better days. And put this one in. Come on, fingers, work. That, and turn it that way, like that. And let's see if it works. Whoa, yep, it works. Cool. On, off. Well, let's put if I keep it in the middle and open my door, it should turn on. My door is open. Seems to be acting a little finicky. Okay. Okay, close my door. Open my door. Close my door. Okay. And then, so that works. Let's see, where did where did that cover go? Oh, here it is. All right, so we'll pop this back in place. So there's 2 tabs you see there. Put that in first, and then see, I'm gonna, rather than just push it, I'm gonna help the tab in and then help the tab in. That way, there. That way it seats in there real nicely. Okay, I got that replaced, and there's one in the way back right there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Zoom in a little. I'm going to replace that one too. Right there. And there it is. Merry Christmas.